so much. We love you too, man. The song we're gonna do is again from our first album. This is called Shot by the Cupid and Touched by the Devil. Let's party! Yeah! Hey girl, don't give me the love. I know the look on your face. Hey girl, don't drag it too long. Oh yeah, you know I don't run away. Come on, 'cause I've got to end this thing you started. Gotta can't leave me broken hearted. Ooh, the trick seems to be played too hard. Wow, you know it makes me lose my mind, man. Let's get it started. Here comes the arrow, here comes the ride. Shot by the cupid, touched by the devil. The meaning of love, now how it changed. How we fall in love just for another day. Hey, oh yeah. So I've got to end this thing you started. Girl, I can't live with broken heart. Ooh, the sin of the games that I try to play. Wow, that's for you all people. Take it. There's a lot of money there. Take it, man. It's all yours to take. Come on. Zero to the lead guitars. One, two, three, jump. So I've got to end this thing you started. Gotta can't leave me broken hearted. Ooh, the sinning in the game that I try to play. I'm gonna tell you, babe. You know I'm gonna get you. 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 Yeah. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. You better be ready for me. Right. Thank you very much. All right, people. Thank you, thank you. want some more? This is insane, man. I love it. All right, guys, please don't come on the stage. It kind of affects our performance. That's not nice. We're gonna do one last original for tonight. This one's called I Wanna Get That Lovin' Again. This is for all the 1980s heavy metal hard rock fans in the house. Just like a fool, I was hanging by your side, wasting all my time away. know, it's so awesome of you guys to appreciate our own originals. Check, check. So we're gonna leave you with one last song tonight. Before that, I want to ask you all a question. Do you know where you are? You're in the jungle, baby, and you're gonna I guess that's it for tonight. We have come to the end of the show. We love you all. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon next time, all right? Do you want us to come back again? Yeah, that's like it. Thank you so much, everyone. It was a privilege to perform in front of you all. Thank you.
Let's give it up for Girish and the Chronicles. With a big round of applause. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much, brothers, all the way from Gangtok, for the excellent, a wonderful performance tonight. And I believe that all the crowd, the people of the Senapati, really enjoyed your performance. May I invite our NPO president to the stage and to do the honor in giving out the prizes. NPO president. We have few prizes to be awarded. Barak Festival 2019 traditional wrestling, and also four-wheeler traditional car race, and also three-wheeler car race. So as I call out their names, I kindly ask all individuals to please come on the stage and receive the prize from our NPO president. Firstly, the Barak Festival traditional wrestling. Let's start with from the fourth position. P. Lui Kang. P. Lui Kang, the fourth position. From Maram tribe. Prize 5,000. And also the third prize, Ipung Kube from Zelengrong community. The fourth, yes. P. Lui Kang from Maram tribe, rupees 5,000. Thank you so much. Third prize, Ibn Kube, rupees 10,000 from Zelengrong tribe. Second prize, T.H. Supana from Pumai tribe, rupees 20,000. Second prize. And the first prize, Rakovuyo from Pumai tribe, rupees 30,000. Rakovuyo. Okay, we'll meet later. And this is four-wheeler traditional car race. And the fifth position goes to Tangal, rupees 5,000. The fifth position, Tangal tribe. And the fourth position, Pumai, rupees 5,000. Third, Maram, 7,000. Second, Zelengrong, 12,000. The first, Mao tribe, rupees 15,000. Please come one after the other. Fifth. Let's start from the fifth position. Tangal. Tangal tribe. Fourth position, Pumoy. Fourth position, Pumoy. Okay, please. Pumoy. The fourth position is Pumoy. Third, Maram. Third, Maram. Okay, okay. Second, Zilengrong. This is Maram. Oh, yes, Maram. Thank you so much. Second, Zilengrong. Okay, first, Mao. Okay, you please meet the organizing committee later. Okay, okay, okay. Mao, Mao. Four-wheeler. If Rakovi is around, can you please come up? Where is Rakovi? Okay. And the next will be the third three-wheeler traditional car race. The media is there, you can face it, the camera. Okay, thank you. Okay, four-wheeler traditional car race. Let's start from the fifth position. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, three-wheeler traditional car race. The fifth, let's start from the fifth position. Tangal, 5,000. The fourth position, Maram. Third, Pumoy. Second, Zilengrong. First, Mao. Karatuna Lakpio, matam yam chang ningay. If you guys are around, please make it hurry. Okay, Tangal, fifth, Maram, fourth. Is there anyone around here? Okay, third, Pumoy. This is Maram. Okay, the fifth, the fourth. Third, Pumoy. Okay, Pumoy. Okay, second, Zilengrong. 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 First, Mao. Okay, Mao. Okay, thank you so much. Congratulations to all of you. Thank you, sir, for doing the honor. We have so many more bands to perform tonight again. These are the blue band all the way from Imphal, and I believe most of the artists are very popular and well-known artists. And when they come on the stage, you will see them more. In the meantime, as the band gets ready for the performance, let's invite one of our sister, the one and only Rebecca, for one beautiful special number, Still Loving You.
only love can bring back your love some days. I will be there. I will be there. Baby, fight to win back your love again. I will be there. I will be there. Love, only love can break down the walls some days. I will be there. I will be there. If we'd go again all the way from the start, I wouldn't try to change the things that keep our love. Your brightest build the wall so strong that I can't get through. You should give me a chance. This can be the end. Try, baby, try. Trust in my love again. I will be there. I will be there. Love, our love, that should be the throne on we. I will be there. I will be there. If we'd go again all the way from the start, I wouldn't try to change the things that keep our love. Your brightest build the wall so strong that I can't get through. You should give me a chance. This can be the end. If we'd go again all the way from the start, I won't try to change the things that keep our love. Your brightest build the wall so strong that I can't get through. You should give me the chance. This can't be the end. I'm still loving you. I'm still loving you. I'm still loving you. Thank you.
As we wait for the band, let me invite our NPO Information and Publicity Secretary, NG Sona Kaba, for the time, the organizing committee. NPO Information and Publicity Secretary, NG Sunakaba. Please come and take your time.
Well, thank you, moderator, for the time given to me. Hello, Sanapati. Are you enjoying? Thank you. Well, I'm standing here on behalf of the organizing committee and the Naga People's Organization to express our heartfelt gratitude to our artists who has performed. Especially the band come from Sikkim, all the way from Sikkim to Manipur, here in Senapati, and that is no other than Garris and the Chronicles. I hope they rock you, and you are very much excited. For this, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our band, Garris and the Chronicles. There may be so many shortcomings, lapses from our side in matters of hospitality, reception, but still then, thank you very much for bearing with us all this program. As you go back to your place, carry the message of love, peace, and the beauty of our land, beautiful land of Senapati, the beautiful scenery of Senapati, the fresh air of Senapati, and the fresh water of the Barak River. So, once again, thank you so much, Garris and Chronicles, and we hope to see you again in the next Barak Festival, that is 2020. There are so many artists yet to come up. They'll perform so many songs, so many beautiful songs. So, dear audience, please be with us and enjoy the program of the musical night tonight. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you, NZ Sonokapa, Information and Public City Secretary, Naga People's Organization. So before Blue Band take over the stage, here is an information. Those who haven't collected the prizes are requested to collect it tomorrow from the concerned members. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's invite the Blue Band who will be performing tonight. And akoy mi mayam sing na ayamba Manipuri movie yangamgani ko. I think there is one of our mama who is called Auntie also, is very prominent in film industry. And her real name is Toy Toy actually. But people know her as Mombi, you know. So I will just invite her, if you are around, please come here. Our Mombi. Our band wants to introduce her as well, to show her face. Where is Mombi? Auntie, Mama, who usually do the mother's role in most of the movies. Where is she? If she's not around, let me invite our band manager. to please come and introduce your band and your team member as well. Okay, let's give it up for the Blue Band.
Hello. Check. Hello.